Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our channel, Singamit Official. Today we have to study about class 10th chemistry. Class 10th chemistry. As we know that our proceeding chapter is carbon and its compound. So guys, in previous section of video, we have to study about the concept of homologous series. That means in terms of homologous series, we have to know about that concept. That means the substance, two or more substance having their general formula same and their chains is differentiated by CH2 group, and there is the major difference of their in formula weight, that is equal to 14 gram, and this is derived from the molecular weight of CH2. So guys, we have to study about homologous series for this concept. We have to discuss about the homologous series. That means our previous video is end on the homologous series examples, and there is a family of homologous in terms of saturated and unsaturated. In terms of saturated hydrocarbon, this is the saturation. That means unsaturated hydrocarbon, that means this tends to the double bond. There is another classification also sent to the unsaturated hydrocarbon, and this is tends to the triple bond scenario. For this concept guys, we have to study the same concept, similar general formula, difference between CH2 group and 14 gram with formula weight. That means this is the overall concept of the homologous. Similar general formula, difference between CH2 group, that means the substance compound is increased in terms of the CH2 group, and its consecutive increasing in their weight, that is 14 gram. First of all, we have to discuss about its general formula. General formula is CnH2n plus 2. This is your concept view having general formula CnH2n. This is its concept view, and its general formula is CnH2n minus 2 into. That means guys, for every term of the homologous series, homologous family, we have prescribed the general formula for this. That means the general formula of this saturated hydrocarbon in terms of alkene is CnH2n plus 2. In terms of the unsaturated hydrocarbon with double bond configuration is alkene, and its general formula is CnH2n. And in terms of triple bond, the compound is tends to the alkyne and its general formula is CnH2n minus 2 is here. Now we have to configure out the complete family of alkane in terms of homologous. We have to configure out of the complete homologous family of alkene, and we have to configure out the complete family homologous family of alkyne now. In terms of guys, we have to prepare the first terms, that is methane here, methane, that is CH4. Its atomic mass, that means formula weight is 12 plus 1 into 4 is equal to 12 plus 4 is equal to 16 gram. Now we have to terms the second one of this. This is ethane here, and its formula is C2H6, difference of CH2 group, increase in the one number of carbon, that is carbon becomes 1 from 2, hydrogen in terms of 2 integrates, that means hydrogen becomes 4 to 6 guys, and the configure at this atomic mass is difference out of 14 gram, that means you have to add 16 plus 14 is equal to 30 gram, and this is the 30 gram is the formula weight of C2H6, 12 to the 24 plus 6 is equal to 30, absolute here. Now we have to configure out the another one, that is propane here, formula is C3H8, again is the difference of CH2, and when we talk about its molecular mass, that means formula weight, we have to again add 30 plus 14 is equal to 44 gram, and 44 gram is the formula weight of this propane C3H8. Now we have to consider out another one, that is butane here, formula weight is C4H10 is the molecular weight, having similar general formula CnH2n plus 2, C4H2 into 4, that means 8 plus 2, that is 10. Again is the major difference of CH2, again carbon increase in the term, that is C3 becomes C4 and hydrogen 8 becomes 10. We have to configure out the formula weight of this, we have to add 44 plus 14 is equal to 58 is here, 58 gram. Again you have to consider about the another one family of alkene in terms of homologous series, that is pentane, and its formula is C5H12. Again is the major difference of CH2 group, and its formula weight is divided in terms, that is 58 plus 14 is equal to 72 gram. That means guys, according to our concept, that is the concept is here, similar general formula difference between CH2 group and increase in their atomic formula weight is equal to 14 gram. We have to illustrate the family of alkene with their all molecular formula weight and their major difference of CH2 group in it. Now we have to consider about alkene here. Our first compound is ethene C2H4 is this, and its formula weight is 12 into 2 plus 1 into 4 is equal to 24 plus 4 is equal to 28 gram. This 12 come from the carbon, that means the atomic weight of carbon is 12 gram. 2 atoms is present, that means 12 into 2 is equal to 24. Atomic weight of hydrogen is 1 gram, but here is the 4 atom is present, that means 1 into 4, that is equal to 4 gram. 24 plus 4 is equal to 28 gram is the formula weight of ethene here. We have to represent another one, that is propene, and its formula is C3H6, that means the difference of CH2 group. Okay. After that you have to adding its formula weight, that means 28 plus 14 is equal to 42 gram. That is the complete scenario, that is the complete concept of the homologous series of alkene now. In the another one, that is we have to prepare butene here, that is C4H8 is here. Again this is the difference of CH2 group. In terms of the atomic weight, we have to consider out 42 plus 14 is equal to 56 gram is the atomic formula weight of butene now. Another one, that is pentene here, C5H10 is this. Again increase of CH2 group, carbon becomes increase in one order, that means C4 becomes C5, hydrogen with two order, that means hydrogen becomes H8 now. According to this concept, we have to add 56 plus 14 again, that means this becomes 17 gram is the formula weight of pentene. That means this is the complete arrangement of homologous series according to the concept of homologous weight. We have to prepare again hexene here, hexene here, this is C6H12, another difference of CH2 group in it. For the formula weight scenario, 17 plus 14 is equal to 84 gram is the complete formula mass of hexene now. That means guys, according to the concept, we have to prepare two homologous series. That is, our first homologous series is alkane series of the homologous in term. Another one is a alkene series of homologous in term. So take a note of it. After that, we have to describe about the alkyne series. Okay. According to this concept, we have to describe about the unsaturated hydrocarbon in terms, that is alkyne is here, combined with the carbon-carbon rearrangement with triple bond structure. In term of this guys, we have to prepare the first compound, that is ethyne, having molecular formula is C2H2 and its formula weight is 12 into 2 plus 1 into 2 is equal to 24 plus 2 is equal to 26 gram is here. As per the concept, we have to prepare the another one family series, that is your propyne, having formula weight is C3H4. That means the concept becomes difference with CH2 group, carbon becomes 2 from 3 with the increase in one atom, and hydrogen becomes 2 to 4 increase with their 2 atoms. That is the complete concept of homologous series. We have to understand it in previous section of video guys. Now we have to take the atomic weight, that means formula weight scenario. We have to add 14 in this, 26 plus 14 is equal to 40 gram, and complete 40 gram is the weight of propyne. You have to completely check it out now. That means 12 3 is 36 is here, and 1 into 4, that is 4 gram. 36 plus 4 is equal to 40, and we find out with the help of the concept of homologous series, and we find this with the help of complete arrangement of formula mass. From the both concept, we get a same answer. That means our concept is correct now. We have to prepare another one is butene. Concept is C4H6 is here, another again CH2 group increment. We have to prepare 14 plus 40 is equal to 54 gram is the formula weight of butene. Another one, you have to prepare again the next family group, next family member of homologous series of alkyne, that is your pentene. In terms of pentene series, we have to prepare the concept of C5H8 is here, again the group of CH2 unit. That means carbon becomes 4 to 5 and hydrogen becomes 6 to 8 concept. And their meaning is prescribed in terms of 54 plus 14 again, that is 68 gram is your concept of formula weight of pentene now. In terms of another one example, guys, we have to again use the another one formations for the alkyne series. That is your hexyne is that. Hexyne is this. This is C6H10 is here. Increase of CH2 unit in it. Or in terms of formula bit, you have to add again 14 in terms, that means 68 plus 14 is equal to 72 and 82 is here. 82 gram is the formula weight of hexyne. That means according to this all concept, guys, we have to learn about the homologous series in terms of the homologous family of every saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. So guys, after seeing that all the concept of homologous, you can completely understand the concept of homologous. How can you use the concept of homologous for every generated family in terms of alkane, in terms of alkene, and in terms of alkyne. That's all. So you have to revise this. You have to revise the every concept of this. You have to revise every example for this. That means you have to practice it at home. That means there is a homework for you guys. That means your homework is you have to prepare the formula weight and the family of homologous in term of this increasing series. Go to decan, go to dekene, and go to decyne. Okay, you have to now take a screenshot for this. After that, we have to discuss the another one important topic of this chapter, isomerase. So get it, guys. That means after this, guys, we have to discuss about the another one concept and most important topic of this chapter, carbon and its compound. We have to study about the concept of isomerase. This is just like the formation of homologous. In the concept of isomerase, we have to study about the concept where there is a same molecular formula but compound poses a different structure in it. That means those all are called isomers to each other, just like this. These all are called homologs to each other. These all are homologous. These all are the homologous. In the concept of isomerase, we have to check that these all are called isomers to each other, and the complete concept and process is known as isomerase. So guys, in this section of video, we have to study about the concept of homologous. That means our next video is going to be concept of isomerase. After that, we have to complete this chapter, carbon and its compound, and we have to start another one and the last chapter of your class 10th chemistry of term 2, session 2021 to 22, and your chapter is periodic classification of elements. So guys, complete the notes of every topic. We have to also solve the many more questions on this topic after some time. That means today's section we have to discuss this only. You have to take a note for this.